Once a year, in Kulamba, this huge gathering unfolds. Chiefs, elders and thousands of people converge for one powerful reason: dancing with snakes.
Kule wa Mkulu masquerades, dancing with live pythons.
In the next 100 seconds, let us unfold this story of secrecy and heritage together. Around the last Saturday of August, in Katete, eastern Zambia, a Kulamba ceremony of Chewa people is held, a ritual of unity where chiefs from Zambia, Malawi and Mozambique pay homage to their paramount chief. Drums thunder, dancers wail, and the Gule wa Mkulu, the great dance, commands the arena with masks, secrets, and spiritual fire. But among the masked dancers, one image burns deeper than all. A figure steps forward, wrapped in secrecy, moving to the rhythm of ancestral drums. And then, the serpent appears, alive and dangerous. The dancers do not flinch. They dance with it, man and snake, locked in a ritual older than words. To the crowd, it is spectacle. To the initiated, it is power. And to the spirits, it is respect. In Kulamba ceremony, a lot of moves carry the meaning. But when the snake joins the dance, the line between the living and the unseen fades into shadow. In that moment, it feels as if the dance belongs not only to the people, but also to the ancestral spirits watching.